Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a little quick little video, and I'm just gonna, show the walk rather than showing myself. Um, just doing a slow little walk, trying to get calm down before I go to bed. And the one thing I've learned in this whole process is letting things go and trust God, trust the process, and checking the ego out the door, because the ego wants to control, the ego wants to fix, the ego wants to figure things out. And that's the thing where you have to really listen to your body, especially when I'm repairing my nervous system, because I fucked up my nervous system because of what happened, and it fucked up my sleep. And so now I'm excited and ecstatic because of maybe I'm getting, like last night I got 4 hours of sleep, and that was, whereas my hours of sleep have been fragmented, and I kind of feel like, wow, I feel so ecstatic that happened, and yet I had to relinquish control because I was throwing everything at the kitchen sink at this particular problem, doing research on this supplement, that supplement, trying to put myself in a certain state. And it got to a point where everything was so structured, and I didn't really have a life of of how to handle things, because at 6 o'clock I'm eating and I'm taking supplements. Then at 8 o'clock I'm eating oatmeal to like a pre-snack bedtime meal, and then with some supplements. And then at 9 o'clock I'm taking some other supplements, and getting ready for bed. And it got to the point where I was constantly getting up to pee, and it's like, this isn't helping at all, because even if I felt like a point where I can fall asleep, I wasn't falling asleep. And so sleep was fragmented, whereas now I eat dinner at 5 or 6, and I don't take anything. I don't take any supplements. I don't do anything at all. Doctor prescribed me a sleeping pill, because it's not something where we are just helping entrain my body, get some sleep, and then we're tapering things off. I think the thing is like letting my doctor be in control now. And it's difficult because I'm thinking, oh, I'm feeling this way, I want to go ahead and take a calming gummy, which is, not like one of those magical gummies. It's one of the ones that you buy at like Sprouts that has ashwagandha and has some stuff that I've taken in the past that kind of calmed my nervous system down, where the doctor was saying, look, we're not here to go ahead and supplement. We're here to go through the process and just let things be, because that's how life is about, being able to handle the process, sit through the shit, because that's where the gains are going to come from. Because as an athlete, it was easy for me to handle the stresses of physical discomfort and to push my body to the next level. Now, this is a situation where I'm pushing my mind and my emotions, and sitting through those emotions and being able to process those emotions, and realizing that, the sleep issue has caused my emotions to go awry, and unless you've gone through the situation, you'll never understand what a person's going through. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, that if anybody's ever gone through this, you know what I'm talking about. If you come across somebody that's going through this, be supportive, be loving, be caring. It's not about giving them advice and giving them a solution. Hey, do this, do that. Because I got plenty of people that have told me that. Whereas, like, no, I'm going with the guidance of my doctor. We have a plan and going forward. And I think the thing is now is just, this is where I'm going, and we'll figure this thing out. And if you want to comment, just share some love, and that's it. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up on things, and just letting you know, because this right here is a huge opening for me to realize about letting go and not trying to be in control. Just let the process take its place, even though sometimes it feels like shit and you want to not feel that way, because I could definitely tell you that today. I slept for 4 hours. My sleep wasn't fragmented. I celebrated that win this morning. However, I went to the doctor to go do some blood work, because I'm trying to rule out every single thing that could possibly cause, what caused this thing? My nervous system resetting. Is it because of my excessive cold plunging, hot saunas, working out, 18-hour intermittent fasting, low carb diet? Was it that type of stuff, or was this something else? Or just wanted to make sure I'm ruling out every single thing, and making sure that my thyroid's fine, my hormones are fine. Even though that I haven't been sleeping that well, that I'm still trying to function. And it's very difficult at times because of the concentration, especially with what I do for a living. And I had to take some medical leave because I really can't concentrate. I am still going to the gym, doing a slight little workout here and there, just getting some movement, getting some exercise, getting some blood flow into my body, and so I can go ahead and rest my nervous system. And it's easier said than done. Like people would say, oh, why don't you just kick back and watch a movie? When you're unsettled, it's very difficult to even watch a movie. And whereas me, I'm a person who's a doer, who wants to get shit done. And I just don't feel like watching a movie is anything that's going to be beneficial to me. And so for me, more than anything else, is learning, adapting, and growing, and celebrating the wins along the way. And then knowing that, saying like today, I have to go do some blood work. It triggered me, and then all day I was like kind of trying to get myself back into this parasympathetic nervous system, and so the process is learning and finding different tools on how to go ahead and get you into that nervous system, like breath work, calming things down, like when working out, no quick movements, just being able to get movement in, but not something that's going to be explosive like how I normally train. So I'm adapting, learning, and realizing that I'm going to become stronger for this, and being able to really appreciate the sleep, like right now, like trying to appreciate the night, because I know sometimes the night would give me a little bit of anxiety. I'm like, damn it, it's like everybody else is having fun in life, and here I am, trying to treat myself like a little child, and so I can go ahead and get some sleep. And in the long run, I'm learning more about myself, learning more about a God, and being able to get closer to my family, and those are the most important things to me. So you guys have a blessed night, and peace out, and namaste. Love you guys.